What's the difference between sin, transgression, and iniquity? Let's talk about it. In Psalm 32, it says, "Blessed is he whose transgression is forgiven, whose sin is covered. Blessed is the man to whom the Lord does not impute iniquity, and in whose spirit there is no deceit." So you have three players on the board. You have sin, transgression, and iniquity. And let's talk about these guys, but these are three different things, and it's good to kind of unpack these so we know what the difference is, because there's clearly three things going on here. But the order of operations from the least to the worst is going to be sin, transgression, and then iniquity. And they're all terrible, don't get me wrong. They're all disgusting from the sight of God, but they are different. So the first one is going to be sin. This is what I'm sure you are already aware of. Sin is missing the mark. But the important thing to pay attention to in this regard is to understand that they were trying to hit the mark. The mark here being the bullseye, the yellow circle here, and you see the arrows are all over the place, meaning that they were trying to hit the mark. They just missed. So there's a difference. It is your intentions, and the intentions in sin is to hit the mark, but you just fell short, or you failed in doing what is the right thing. You just missed. The next thing here is what you see in this picture where Bugs Bunny is attempting or going over the line. There's a line drawn in the sand and Bugs Bunny is stepping over it. This is a line that Bugs Bunny sees. He knows the line is there and he is doing that on purpose. He is on purpose. That's the key right there. He's purposefully crossing the line. He's trespassing. It's a transgression. He's doing it, and he's doing it understanding that he is doing it on purpose. That is the difference. And then you get to this idea right here, which is iniquity. Iniquity has the idea to bend and then also to twist. And so the picture here is to understand that whoever has iniquity has first already missed the mark, then they went past the line drawn in the sand. They understood that there was a line drawn in the sand. They see that line, they walk past it anyways, and then when they get on the other side, they twist or bend God's law to they're bending or twisting God's law to fit their lifestyle. And so there's a lot of people who are bending and twisting God's word to say something different. And that, when that is done, that is iniquity. And so now when you go back to Psalm 32 and you read all of these words again, you understand that there's a difference here. Blessed is he whose transgression is forgiven, whose sin is covered. Blessed is the man to whom the Lord does not impute iniquity. It's pretty cool stuff right there.